Hello, this is Christopher X from Better by Tech World, and today I'm going to show you DoorKnockerPal custom fields. So, you're going to scroll down to Admin Console, then you can click Custom Fields. Then I'm going to go ahead and do About, and you can view more on each of these. You can see the actions info. I'm going to edit real quick, then I'm going to save. You can change the field label right there, and then I'm going to go back to the home, and then I'm going to go to Doors. I'm going to create a door. And now you will see the About field down here, and you can type in it, and then you can here, I'll do an address real quick, and then I'll save, and then now you can go in here and you can edit door, and you can see that the info has been saved in it. Just add some more info to it, and that is custom fields. Thank you.